This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of arguably one of the most famous of all Bordeaux wines. That's not the most expensive or the most prestigious, of course. It's a rather affordable wine that you can find in many wine shops, including supermarkets all around the world. One of the mass-produced Bordeaux wines, but it's still fairly good. We are looking at how to pronounce the wine called Mouton Cadet, with the typical French pronunciation, Mouton Cadet. Mouton Cadet. So do not say Mouton Cadet, do not pronounce the T at the end of cadet, and do not insist too much on the N of mouton. Do not say mouton, but rather mouton. Mouton Cadet. Mouton Cadet, made by the same group that makes Mouton Rothschild. Mouton Cadet. If you're wondering how good or how Mouton Cadet tastes like, what it tastes like, I did make a video reviewing and tasting Mouton Cadet on camera, explaining everything about it, how it tastes like and how good it is or not. And I'll link to it right here. Chateau, Mouton Cadet. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.